Today, we're going to delve into an exciting new feature from Unity, Unity Muse Chat. This isn't just another update from Unity, it's a game-changing AI platform designed to speed up the creation process for real-time 3D applications and experiences. This isn't limited to just video games. Think bigger, like the development of digital twins, which is a digital representation of an intended or actual real-world physical product, system, or process that serves as the effectively indistinguishable digital counterpart of it for practical purposes, such as simulation, integration, testing, monitoring, and maintenance. That's just one example of an immersive experience you can bring to life. But what truly sets Unity Muse apart is its focus on natural inputs. The platform is designed to understand text prompts and sketches, allowing you to create intricate designs with simple commands. Picture this, you're sketching a basic figure, and with a few text prompts, your sketch transforms into a 3D character right before your eyes. That's the magic Unity Muse is striving to bring to the table. Muse Chat is designed to be an indispensable aid for developers and designers alike. Currently in its closed beta stage, it's showing immense promise. Imagine having an AI assistant that can search through Unity's vast documentation, training resources, and support content. It would serve you accurate, well-structured, and up-to-date information to help you navigate any problem. That's exactly what Muse Chat does. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or looking for a specific code sample, Muse Chat aims to expedite your development process, saving you valuable time and effort. But this is just the beginning. Unity has hinted at numerous features set to roll out in the coming months. They're planning on integrating functionality that will allow creators to use natural inputs to create textures and sprites, and even animate characters. Imagine being able to animate a character using a series of simple text prompts. The future of game development is looking bright, indeed. Unity continues to break boundaries, harnessing the power of AI to revolutionize the way we create and innovate in the world of digital experiences. It's an exciting time to be a game developer. We'll be following Unity Muse and other emerging technology closely as it continues to evolve and bring us new, exciting features. Make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest content. If you have any thoughts or questions about Unity Muse Chat or tech in general, drop a comment below.